come to my attention that not everyone has the most basic accessory for their car, a recorder. You never want to be caught in a situation where you don't have a recorder handy.
I'm gay.
Drop the drum! It's okay, nigga. I got that pussy!
What up, my boner boys? I wanted to say thanks, and I see that 80% of you aren't subscribed, so what the fuck are you doing? Subscribe right now. For anyone that subscribes, I got you guys a gift. I got you guys a Big Mac, you know? I'm the Big Mac review guy now. Here's you guys' Big Mac. Dork. Got him.